Hello everyone. Today, Capstone Project 1 Retail Sales Prediction presented by Snehendu Jana. In content, number 1 problem statement, number 2 data summary, number 3 data pre-processing, number 4 exploratory data analysis, number 5 feature engineering, number 6 model implementation, and number 7 is conclusion. In problem statement, we can see that number 1, Rossmann operates over 3000 drugstores in 7 European countries. Number 2, provided with historical sales data for 1115 Rossmann stores. The sales are influenced by many parameters and task is to forecast the sales for 6 weeks in advance. In data summary, we have two data sets. Rossmann store data is for years 2013, 2014 and 2015 with 10 lakhs 17,209 observations on 9 variables. Store data with 1,150 observation on 10 variables. Some important features are: number 1, customer. The number of customers on given day in a store. Number 2, date. Showing dates for observations. Number 3 is state holiday. It's indicating a state holiday. Number 4, store type. Differentiate between 4 different store models. Number 5 is assortment. Describes an assortment level: A basic, B extra and C is extended. Number 6, competition distance. Distance in meter to the nearest competition store. And number 7 is promo. It indicates whether a store is running a promo on that day. Now, data processing. Columns having less than 30% null values are dropped. Null values in competition distance are imputed with median of features, removing those stores observation that are temporarily closed and stores generating zero sales. Then exploratory data analysis. Here sales are normally distributed with slightly right tail skewed. Here we can see that impact of promo on sales. Now in that chart, day wise trends in sales. Next is EDA counted, the heat map for March dataset. Here we can analyze of store types with their respective assortment. The next is school and state holidays effect on sales. In the left side, sales affected by school holiday or not, and right sides, sales affected by state holiday or not. Now we can see that the graph, the monthly trends in sales. Here yearly distribution of sales according to store types. After that we can see that the store types and average sales, customers, spending relations. Then impact of competition distance on sales and customers. Now in that summary, number 1, sales are highly correlated to customers. Number 2, store open on state holiday makes a good amount of sales. Number 3, there is no such significant difference in sales on school holidays. And number 4, even the store type B has very less number of stores, but these are outperforming other store types in terms of sales and average customers. And number 5, sales are consistent for the second quarter of the year, but it starts increasing in the last quarter. Now, feature engineering. Number 1, extracting week, month, year from date and adding them in dataset. Number 2, merging both dataset. And number 3, one hot encoding for store type, assortment. And number 4, splitting dataset into training and test and applying min-max scaler for scaling dataset. Here the models implemented. Number 1, linear regression baseline model. Number 2, lasso regression. Number 3, decision tree regression. Number 4, decision tree regression with hyperparameters. Number 5, k nearest neighbors regression. And number 6 is random forest regression. The next is model evaluation. In that model evaluation, linear regression training course is 0.780750. Testing code is 0.782392. Lasso regression 0.780731 and testing score is 0.780769. Decision tree regression training score is 0.99996 and testing score is 0.915942. Decision tree regression with hyperparameters training scores is 0.963506 and testing score is 0.935417. K nearest neighbors regression training score is 0.73722. Testing score is 0.71665. Random forest regression training score is 0.993783 and testing score is 0.956520. Now, insights from random forest regression, we can see that predictions from random forest model are very close to actual values in our X dataset. As we have good score, the figure shows actual values predicted and the difference between them respectively. Since this is sales predictions, MAE is a good metric. We are getting mean absolute error $380 and MAPE of 5.65%. Now we can see the chart. Feature importance: customers, competition distance, score type, promo, day work, day, promo 2, assortment B, and etc. etc. Now we can hear for conclusion. Our model shows that customers, competitions, distance, store types are some of the most important features in our sales predictions. We need to focus on these aspects to maximize our profits for the next 6 weeks. Thanking you.